Hi everyone, Hair System DIY host Adam here. This is a new video for New Lace CU. I'm gonna show you me having a shower whilst wearing the unit, how I wash it, and basically how I dry it. So I hope you find this helpful. I hope the extractor fan isn't too loud. Enjoy! Okay, let's jump in the shower. Ugh. Okay, temperature's quite good. So I always go quite light. Always go quite light with the shower head because you don't want to put too much pressure on the system. And you want to get the right temperature, otherwise your head's going to be really hot. So I just basically give it a really nice drizzle. Perfect. Then what I tend to do, I use shampoo maybe twice a week. And I use conditioner maybe about 3 times a week. So just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to show you with conditioner how I apply. I always push down with the conditioner and I push back at the back, so I push down. Perfect. Get a nice amount of conditioner in there, just to keep the hair smooth and as sort of moist as possible. There we go. Again, I'd usually keep this on longer, but this is for demonstration purposes. So yeah, just make sure it goes through all the hair. I love this conditioner, it smells like coconuts, it's amazing. Okay, and then I put my head down so that the water's going down. I don't want the water forcing the system back. Again, nice and light, not too much pressure in the shower head. It's about getting the temperature right as well. Not too hot. Okay, and just letting it all run through really. Just allowing the water to run its natural course, just flowing down the unit. This is a very hot shower. Too hot. Okay. A bit lighter. And this is pretty much my morning routine. Most mornings this is what I do. Just let the water wash through the hair, wash the conditioner off. Excellent. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's all out now. Perfect. Ugh. Make sure nothing's sticking out. Rub my eyes, get all the water out. And then what I always do, I never pour my hand down the towel like hard on the system. I want to be as gentle on the system as possible because we want to get it to last as long as possible. So what I tend to do is just give it a really nice little pat. Just pat it dry, basically. And I rarely use a hairdryer because, again, it dries the system out, and the hair on a hair system, it's not. There's no oils that are holding it sort of and keeping it moist. It's sort of dead hair. So you've got to make sure that you take really good care of it. You know, condition it regularly. I always use a leave-in conditioner as well every morning. But yeah, I just I pat it dry and then I sort of let the rest of it dry naturally. And then once it's a lot drier, I tend to style it as I wish really. So I'm just going to let that dry for a while. and then what I tend to do is I spray some leave-in conditioner in, and then I'm good for the day. So I hope you found that useful, showering with a hair system. Till next time, bye for now.